Got my loquat tree right here. A little raised garden with some peppers in it. Over here we have an Arapaho blackberry. It's doing pretty good with some little cascade blueberries. A dwarf Alberta spruce. This is a Fantasia nectarine. Some stuff I need to plant in my raised beds. Back here we got a Fuji. I'm trying to do some commular stuff with it. In the back we have some Freedom Primark blackberries. Just a quick tour of my backyard. Here's some pear trees. Got some Moonglow and Chojuro. A few Asian pear trees. Got a Bartlett pear tree, and we have some commular apple trees in the back. A few of my peppers that I have in pots. Planted strawberries on the bottom to keep the weeds out of there. It seems to be doing well. Some new apple trees, a commular apple tree, my Fuji apple tree, Ruby Darling. That's a Royal Empire. Got a red gold nectarine tree back there. It's a plum tree. This is a Wolf River apple. Little Honeycrisp apple tree. Another Bartlett pear. Some peach trees in the back there. Looks like we got some peaches going already. This is a Chojuro. We got some little fruit on that one. There's some more Asian pears and some peaches. My little Whitney crab apple tree. It's full of little apples. This is a magnolia tree of brackens. Here's some potatoes I'm doing in containers. My blueberry bushes. My greenhouse. Some trees I planted last year.